Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Now, we would like to continue our material today, that is critical and evaluative reading. This course about the reading, ya kan? What is the critical reading? The critical readings means closely analyzing text for relevance, validity, and logic. It goes beyond understanding the message to also consider how it's present, the purpose, target audience, and various aspects of its delivery. In essence, it involves breaking down a text like an investigator to better appreciate and understand it. So, this it means that reading have two critical purpose. It means that to analyzing the text, to understanding the meaning, understanding the message of the text. Next. And then the critical reading, it should be have a critical reader. And then what is the critical reader? Notes the text by reading or using sticky notes determines and analyze the organization pattern, compare, contrast, cause, effect, description, narration, definition, or persuasion of the text. So the reader have to critics about to analyze the text or the determine the text. It should be content, the compare, contrast or cause effect, description, narration, definition or the persuasion of the text. Next. And then what are the qualities of the critical reader? Reader have to critical of the text, and then what must be have to do that is distinguish the fact of opinion. It means that it can be determined which one the text of the fake or the opinions. And the next is evaluates the author credibility or by checking on his or her critical or academic and scholarly background. And then the three is evaluates the source of the text and image. So the reader can be evaluate or identifies where source of the text or the image of in the paragraph or in the text like that. Then looks beyond on the text or ideas that are not explicitly stated. Number five, make inference about the text or image and author's ideas, bias, claims, agenda, or views. So the critical readers must be have to make inference about the text. It will be idea. The reader can be identify the mind idea or the bias of the text in the paragraph and the how about to know about the fields or agenda of the text. And then for the critical reading, this is uh, the presenter take one of the material that is distinguish the fake or opinions for this morning. Okay, and then what is the fake and opinion? Fake are statements that can be proven. Fake may be true or false, but fakes can be proven. So fake is real, real. But also sometimes maybe fake is so maybe true or false. And then but fake can be proven. So the facts should be have evidence, can be evident by proven like that. Sometimes like it's if a fact cannot be true because it did not have the evidence or cannot be proven like that. For example, this is number one. Statistically, women live longer than men. Statistically, women live longer than men. It's in the first word that statistically that it means that's the based on the static data. It will be fake because it's proven or can be do by the evidence like that. And then number two, mass buses weigh more than most car. It will be can be proven by the view on the street. Mass buses weigh more than mass car. And then three, there are 10 inches in a foot. There are 10 inches in a foot. It can be true, but it false because everybody, uh, it's different the size. There are 10 inches in a foot. It should be can be proven. It should be a different evidence. So the fact can be proven by it can be true or false. If the evidence is fake, if evidence based on the data, it will be true like that. But sometimes the evidence is not true, so the fact is false like that. Next, then opinions. Opinion are statements that cannot be proven. Then opinion can be argued. Opinion may be supported with fact. Opinion cannot be proven. So opinion just the statement of the everybody. Opinion just the argument of the everyone like that. So it is cannot be proven the evidence by like the data. Just the feeling of the everyone, everybody like that. For the example, this is golf is boring. Golf is boring, but it is the based on the feeling or agree opinion of someone. Sometimes is someone. Sometimes one of you golf is boring, but sometimes of you golf is happy like that. Pizza is delicious. So it's conclude that says opinion because the delicious is about the feeling. Feeling of the person. Pizza is delicious. And then next, math is the hard subject. This is also the opinion because the everybody have different opinion. Some of you feel that math is hard the subject, and then some of you is the easy subject. So everyone have the different subject like that. So this is okay. This is for material for question. Can you determine that is fake or opinion? This is it is not appropriate to watch the funny cat videos during school. It is fake or opinion. And then lying to your friends is wrong. Is a fake or opinion. Then number three, the computer has invented before in the internet. This is a fact or opinion. And then number four, Mario is the fastest video game character of the all time. Okay, Did you have understood my material today? You can distinguish or you can differentiate it about what is the fact or opinion. If you understand about the opinion or fact, you can identify the question number one till number four. Okay, and then you can do it in your paper. It will be submit and on my table on the next week. Okay, have you understand about material? Thank you. This is our material today. I hope that you can understood my material this morning. Then we can continue the material on next week. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.